Alright, well the handguards just arrived. So let's check them out. Alright, now I'm Australian and I like to support an Australian company. So something like Barkbusters, yeah, I'd love to support them. But, you know, living here in Thailand, you gotta do things somewhat on a budget. So these aren't Barkbusters. Sorry guys. I would love to support you, but living in Asia, you gotta cover your costs a bit and be a bit of a cheapskate sometimes. So obviously quality's not the same as Barkbusters. That's not steel. Look, I'm not going to be doing a lot of off-road work, and really, for me, I've been because I wear fingerless gloves, so I've been stung on the fingers a few times by stones being flicked up by trucks and such. So the big coverage there is mainly for that. You know, I'm not going to be going through the jungle smashing up against bamboo. So yeah. Anyway, let's fit them up. So yeah, they're not bark busters. They're not going to take a heavy hit. You know, plastic, not steel. But for the price you're paying for them, it's a no-brainer. You know, you want the real thing if you're going to be doing off-roading and getting in between trees and things like that. Well, buy the real thing. And I have bought the real thing before. I've run bark busters on WR400 I had years ago, but for what I'm doing with this is perfect. You know, it just keeps the wind off the hands, protects the fingers because I wear the fingerless gloves. So that's it for me. Easy done. Happy days.